So this is my African rainforest, and I'm gonna be showing you the lion trying to chase the antelope. So this is the lion trying to chase the antelope. It's in the bushes, and then the antelope's just walking. And then we got some rocks made out of hot glue. We got the giraffe eating some food. The panda sitting on the tree, facing left. We got the elephant about to drink some water. Zebra about to drink some water. The alligator's coming out of the water. What is this one?
The coyote.
The coyote is sitting in the bushes. Some bushes right